also test this indicator many times. So let us know how we have to use this indicator. See some examples of trade. First of all, you see here, to execute your buy trade in the market, you will get an arrow here to buy. After that, you have to look at the second condition, which MACD indicator will be of gray color or sky color. You can execute your buy trade when the super trend indicator is of sky color. And all these conditions are created together. And we will set our stop loss below the buy arrow. And the target of profit book will be our next sell signal. Same way here we will execute another trade. Stop loss will be set below buy arrow. And target of profit next sell signal. Both the trades have made nice profits. So let us know about the next sell signal. You will find red color super trend indicator along with a red color arrow. And below you will get red color MACD. So here we will execute our trade. And set our stop loss above the red arrow. When the buy signal is created in the market. Then we will book our profit. So let's have a quick look at some more examples. After that, we will do the live test. Let me show you before doing the live test how to install this indicator in the Tradingview. First of all, you have to search for SSL hybrid indicator. After that, you have to search for the QQE mod indicator. Now test this indicator. You can check the result of the indicator now. We have made 11 trades out of which 8 trades have profits. You can use this indicator at any time frame. Let me tell you one thing, if you use this indicator, you will not get a good winning ratio. But let me also tell you, that you will definitely get to see a good profit ratio. Because whenever you get a signal in this indicator, you get a very small stop loss with it. If you use this indicator for 15 minutes from time frame, you will get around 50 to 55% of the winning ratio of this indicator. But its profit ratio will be much better.